Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image for a long time ago. This is school assignment. When I was in art school, his roommate, well actually 4 guys rent one house and we lived together for 4 semesters, 1 year or so. Well, anyways, I'm gonna make something colorize this black and white film, the picture, and also I'm gonna make some kind of illustration image from this. This is a base image, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 images to get something interesting image. Let's get started. I'm gonna make duplicate layer on this. Then I'm gonna keep this base image, just turn it off to keep. Then I'm gonna work on, let's see, I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image off too. Then I'm going to work on this image. Now smudging first. Smudge tool, I'm going to choose evolve as always. This is good. Brush, smudging tool. Okay. Smudging like this. Okay. Well, I remember this picture is I don't know, portrait class or something, class assignment, huh? And we only use black and white that time. Lower semester, lower class. He is a really nice guy. I miss good old days, school days. We are so busy on school. Using the smudge tool to make it looks like a painting image. I'm going to colorize this later after smudging. I don't even remember his shirt color or anything like that. So just add colors, something alike. We'll make it a real nice picture. I'm gonna send this picture to him. Wow, he's gonna surprise, huh? I think he's teaching and photography also. Okay, make it smaller, brush size, tool size, so we just see the details. Cool looking guy, huh? Okay, looks like a painting, maybe. Okay, almost done for smudging. Now, let's put some colors on. The colors, okay, I'm gonna add layer for color and change the blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna change the brush to airbrushing to soft. Medium airbrush now, and I put the color, which we all know the colors are skin tone or these plants and ground. Maybe that's about it for the color we all know. So first of all, let's go for green. Well, let's see about here. And this is too much saturated, huh? Well, a little bit more. Go maybe light side has more yellow. Well, since this is gonna be some kind of illustration image, so I'm going to change some colors, just imagination to put something. And dark greens. Well, nice to see. Now turn this one off. I'm going to paint on this layer 4, but I'm going to see this base image so clear to be like a darker greens, the shadow side, but we have that dead part which is some brownish, maybe this area. Okay, I'm going to touch up later for detail. Just overall image. Now turning this layer. Yeah, now his skin tone. Okay, now I'm going to touch up later again for detail. Overall, let's see. Okay, go for, let's see. No, I don't think. I think that was kind of looks like it. Well, okay, touch up later again. Now background. Okay. Now, how's the background of this? This is a backyard garage or something, just next to our house. Well, this is gonna be the illustration image, so I'm creating an image. So in that case, I can add any color I want. So now, I'm gonna add another layer here. Well, actually, this is a smudge image. Now, then I'm gonna add layer. Then this is blend mode normal. And I can add different colors, like, let's see, this shirt. Erase this color layer too. And then again, I'm gonna paint. Now, a little more darker blue. Blue is better, I think, yeah. Now I'm gonna paint on here. Now clear first. Then again, I'm gonna paint. A little bit thin. We got it. Okay. Maybe we can add some density on the shirt to show up more. Okay, now this is the way I'm gonna use. I'm gonna finish up yet. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some more color. I'm gonna work on this color layer now. I want his face to be more touch reddish. Now I'm gonna touch up some. I think, yeah, kind of general kind of voice. Okay, let me see. Let's change this pencil drawing type image on. Change the blend mode. More illustrated. I kind of like this one too. Overlay. Yeah, much like this one. Okay. Well, why don't I use this overlay? Then I'm gonna duplicate layer. Then change this one. We have two of them. For color burn. Which one? Linear burn. Make small lines straight. Color burn. This is nice. Yeah. Max goes to dark pencil drawing type image, darker, which is more illustration type. Yeah, 50% fine. Okay, now, well, I see this is okay for color burn. Then overlay, maybe less, shows more colors. So, overlay, just keep it 50%. Then I'm gonna make mask on overlay image. Now, make mask, then invert mask. Now, I want to show a little more light image. I'm gonna reveal this with, well, this time soft airbrush. These greens plants, you see this much. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I want to mask overall with, well, let's see. This one shows lines. And this is base image, right? Now I'm gonna make mask on this smudging image. Now I'm gonna make mask artistic, Larapuna. Okay. Well, I think that's it for today. We have mask here, base, image. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support. You guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.